Justice Olukayode Adeniyi of the Federal Capital Territory High Court in Abuja on Wednesday released on bail the embattled former governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria, Godwin Emefiele, who had been in custody since June 6, 2023, when he was removed from office by President Bola Tinubu. According to reports, shortly after his suspension on June 10th, the Department of State Services picked up Emefiele and kept him in custody till October 26th, defying a court order for his release. Upon his release by the GSS on October 26th, the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission immediately picked him up and took him into custody. To secure his freedom, Emefiele approached Justice Adeniyi with a fundamental rights enforcement suit seeking a declaration that his prolonged detention without trial was illegal. He also demanded damages in the sum of 5 million naira. Following an ex parte motion in the suit marked EFCC CV 04023 against the Federal Republic of Nigeria, the Attorney General of the Federation, the EFCC chairman, and the EFCC, the judge ordered the EFCC to release Emefiele unconditionally or produce him in court on November 6th. The anti-graft, however, neither released Emefiele nor took him to court on November 6th as ordered by the judge, prompting the judge to restate his order and mandate the anti-graft agency to bring Emefiele before him on Wednesday. Around 12:30 p.m. on Wednesday, the EFCC finally brought Emefiele to court. Dressed in a yellow kaftan and a cap, the ex-CBN governor was led into the courtroom by heavily armed EFCC operatives. In his submission, counsel for the AGF, Oyin Koleso, argued that it was untrue that Emefiele had been in detention for 100 days. He told the court that a notice of preliminary objection and affidavit of fact had been filed in the case. Koleso urged the judge not to release Emefiele on bail, saying the federal government was set to arraign him on November 15th in another pending matter. In his ruling, the judge held that Section 298 subsection 2 of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act 2015 empowered the court to make necessary orders even when there is a remand order against an applicant. The fact that must not be overlooked is that he has been in custody for over 100 days. Even when a detention warrant subsists, the court can make orders releasing the applicant during the remand period, he added. He noted that his proposed arraignment was not enough reason to deny him bail. Adeniyi, however, released the former CBN governor to his counsel and ordered them to produce him at court proceedings. He said the fact that he's going to be arraigned will not stop the court from admitting him to bail. There must be an end to prolonged detention. I hereby order him to be released on bail to his counsel, who are charged to produce him on the day prospectively scheduled for his arraignment or at any other date that he is required to appear in court. All his international documents must be deposited with the registrar of this court pending the determination of his case.